Hi everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I am swatching for you 4 different new colors from Aimeili. These are in the pastel family, so for those of you that are ready for spring, and they're a variation of pinks and a very light lilac one, but like I said, very pastel. Now the very last one is a jelly, and I will go ahead and swatch them for you. As you can see here, I already did a mani with them. I used 2 of the colors, the jelly 65 and the pink is 19. Yes, that's right. And I stamped them with Beauty Big Bangs XL 054. So I'll go ahead and start you with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here are all the swatches. As you saw, they apply very well. I did 2 coats for all except the jelly 164. I went ahead and did 3 coats for that. And like I said, it's a very pastel-y, very soft and feminine. This very first one is somewhat of a very light peach. This one is number 36. So, and then the others go, this one's more pink, it has the hint of lilac, and then the jelly has the hint of lilac as well. That's why it looks very similar to that one. And here you can see it. And on my nails, what I did a jelly sandwich with the gel, and I just sandwiched that, stamped in that image in there with, I believe I did 2 coats for the base and 2 for the top. So I sandwiched the image between 2 coats of that jelly polish right there. So that is it for this review, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me this beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.